Alrighty guys, we are back in the Luxy, and we're back with full drive, and we're back in the mud. Fucking oath. So, it's nice and fucking soft. Didn't get very far in two-wheel drive. It's a bit windy. Apologise for the wind. I'm gonna have to lock her into full drive. We're back all open as well. No front locker, no weldy. Let's see how she goes. Full drive gets ahead. Alright, well, let's just do some random shit. So I'm gonna chuck it into first gear, I'll let it crawl straight, and we'll just follow it through the mud and see what the fuck happens, I guess. Yeah, it's doing its fucking thing. Hopefully she don't get bogged. Ugh, a lot of water I gotta dodge. I don't really want to get my feet wet, because fuck that shit. Definitely doing her thing though. Nice and steady. It's a bit softer there. Oh, nah, too easy. Getting close to the gate now, might as well just jump back in the dog. Oh no, she's turning by herself. Fucking oath. Fucking oath. Yeah, she's doing her thing, nice and easy, just cruising. But yeah, we gotta get back in this fucker, because not my luck, I'll end up in the fucking fence. Alright, so we did that in fucking first gear. Now let's just do it in reverse and see what the fuck happens, alright? This could be interesting. Alright. I'm trying to get her stuck without me having to do anything. Like, surely you'll get stuck, you dog. You motherfucking dog. It's definitely doing its thing, which is good, I guess. It's doing what it's meant to do. Oh, there we go. Look at it. Yeah, I think she's digging a hole. I should probably get it and make sure it doesn't sink. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's not ideal. That's not fucking ideal. So the back's pretty safe. The front was trench digging, bruh. So, yeah. I think we're gonna get out of this though. But fuck. That could have been really bad. So, let's see if we can get out. So the front diff was done by me, obviously. It's a bit fucking how you going. The spider gears, I think, are making a bit of a binding noise on the road. So yeah, I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do about that just yet, but in the mud it's fine. On the road it binds up hard, and then I can't turn without, you know, possibly damaging a spider gear, if not shattering the whole diff. There's a little clicking noise going on. I don't know what the go is with the clicking noise either. No idea. But on the plus side, she has four-wheel drive again. So hopefully some more footage coming very soon. This is going to be a short one, guys, just to show you she's back. And I'd like to say better than ever, but I don't actually know this. So yeah, anyway guys, ciao.